Good day. What's up, captains? For today's video, we are going to be testing out the RIM-8 TALOS, which is a nuclear air defense, which you can get in the in the rank store. So, this is the fully upgraded version and the normal version. So, yeah. So, we are gonna be checking out the fully upgraded. So, its damage per minute is 92,356 when maxed. Its burst damage is 14,700, sorry. And its damage is 5,850 with a solid reload of 9.10 seconds and a range of 4.3 kilometers. Its rounds per attack is 1, and with its speed being 408. So, overall, I think this is a good option. Choose. Yeah, the TALOS is a good option. So, I'll play a match with the TALOS, and let's see how much damage the TALOS will do. Let's go. Okay, so here we are in the domination mode as of this moment, guys. So, no music for today because I'm gonna be doing a thorough gameplay explanation, but let me turn on the music. Okay, so I put in some music. By music, I mean the game sound, so yeah. Richelieu is the mighty Richelieu. The Richelieu. The Richelieu is a good ship. I am the Richelieu Blazer. I glaze the Richelieu. Richelieu is the best. So, okay. So, first launch. Oh, Ashigara. Ashigara. Let's do Ashigara. Okay, Ashigara. Okay. Feisty Ashigara. Feisty. Ashigara is feisty. Also, look at this bassisty. Feisty bassisty. 1 million damage is solid. 111. Okay. So I did that on purpose, not destroying the Ashigara. So I could have a 111. Well, overall, first 2 minutes in gameplay, pretty solid. 1 million damage right now. But yeah, we are using again the nuclear launcher, so I think it is better than some lasers, but I do not know yet because this is the first time that I'm using this air defense. It's currently 8:45 p.m. as I'm recording this, and I am tired, so yeah. Looks like Team Bravo is losing right now. So we are on Alpha. We're not on Bravo. Basty. There's the Basty right there. Sweepers on the Basty. Okay. That's good, I think. Ted Stevens. I'm gonna use our heal. Okay, good. Basti again. So I think there are 2 Basties. So I'm gonna use the Fire Dragon as bait. Then initially right here, we're about to be destroyed, but it's fine. So Arkansas actually is pretty good. Only 1.5 million damage in the first 4 minutes. Okay. Top 4 clans. Okay. So he or she is a Chinese clan. Okay. Majesty. Majesty. Ah, the Majesty hid. No wonder it's moving slow. This would go so well if I were to use the smart 4000 Majesty right there. So I am gonna sneak behind the Bastille. Oh, never mind. Bastille is right there. GG Bastille. Well, that's GG's for me also. So I'm gonna pause the match and I'll come back to you guys once the match is ended. So statistics. 45,000 damage. Pretty good. But the Seahawk has more damage than the RIM-8 TALOS nuke. But the RIM-8 is better than the NAMS SA, so... NASAMS. So, overall, I think the RIM-8 is pretty good, but I still could think that I could do better with the RIM-8 TALOS, but this is just going to be a short review of the RIM-8. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.